Hi family guys, ulam for tonight, McDonald's. Yan po, fish fillet. Nagre-reduce tayo. Yan, fish fillet. Yan. Yan po guys, family. Sarap. Double po ito. Ang sarap. Ulam for tonight, McDonald's fish fillet, courtesy of our daughter. Thank you very much, family. Love you all. Ulam for tonight, fish fillet McDonald's with fries. Beautiful. Hi guys, ulam for tonight, McDonald's. Order the fish fillet, double fillet of fish.
Ay, sorry.
Ikaw eh.
Talaga gumagana sa akin. Ano gusto mo? Big Mac.
Family, hi guys. Ulam for tonight, McDonald's. Ito po, i-distribute po natin ang ating quarter pounder. Kanino ang quarter pounder? Tapos po, fillet of fish, double po yan, guys family, dalawa, akin po ito. Tapos french fries, tapos po yung kay Direk, ito po yung kay Direk, spicy chicken. Yan guys family, sarap, kay Direk po yan. Tapos po straw. Ito po, yung baby natin, si Engineer. Ito pong nuggets. Yeah, mayo. Yung sa nuggets na ano. Ayan po, sa akin po ito isang maliit na french fries. Yan guys, family. Tsaka may mga ketchup dito. Ayan. May libreng cheeseburger. Para kay Direk. Swiss and sour. Swiss and sour. Nilahat ko na, Direk. Kanay ketchup na lang naman natin. Alright guys, family. Ulam for tonight. Fillet of fish with french fries. Beautiful. Family guys, dagdagan natin ng mayo. May libreng mayo. Wow. Beautiful. Ulam for tonight. Beautiful.